tonight's video, I'm actually going down to Patong, and I'm going to go see Bangla Road. And it's going to be really exciting. I've never been down there, so it's going to be pretty cool. Right now I'm in the back of the tuk-tuk, and this should be interesting. I thought about driving down there, but I said, no, I'll just take a tuk-tuk. So here we are, leaving Kata, and on my way to Bangla Road in Patong, and we'll check that out. I thought I'd get down there where it's not as, where it's still a little bit light out, so I can get some good video, but overall it should be pretty cool. It gets pretty crazy around here. You can see right here, this is Kata already at night. There's a lot of people out. So, looking forward to it. On the way to Bangla Road, Patong Beach. See, right behind me is Bangla Road right there. You can see the sign right up there. This is Bangla Road. Kind of cool here. Look at all the people. Now, Bangla Road is, it's actually called the red light district here in Phuket. This is they're just walking down.
All right.
How are you doing,
right?
man?
Very good, very good. I said
and I'm right by the Tiger nightclub here. You can see that right there. Look at that. That's the Diamond. This is kind of like, well, Pub Street in Cambodia was a little bit shorter than this. So continuing my walk down here on Bangla Road here in Phuket, Thailand, and it's definitely more active than, let's say, Pub Street in Cambodia. This is where it's really happening right here. Beer for 75 baht. All types of going on here. I don't think I can talk myself talking right here. Walking down this Bangla walking street. See right here, your little stores in here, all types of people. See what you got going on in here. This is part of Bangla Road, like right here. Wow. How much for that lobster? How much per kilo? I'm finding out how much a lobster is. 600 a kilo? Wow, that's expensive. So this is kind of like a cheaper over there, huh?
That's very cheaper.
Oh yeah, it's always cheaper.
Very good. Oh, 800.
How much for the lobster?
This one, 800 for you.
No, how much?
800.
800 per kilo?
No, for one piece.
Oh, for one?
Yes.
800 for one. No, I'm talking to this guy right here. He's showing me the lobster.
Yeah, very nice. Yes.
Is it very good? Is it very good?
Yeah. This small one, 800. Big one for 1,000.
Okay, I'll check it out. I'm gonna walk down this way.
We give it good price. Part-time fire only 80 bucks.
Oh yeah? All right. Thank you.
See you later.
Okay. That's all types of food right here. So I'm kind of walking down the. This is definitely the food. More seafood right here. Look at this. This is the definite food right here. Oh, let's see here. This right here. This is in Patong, off Bangla Road. It's just like right on the side street of it. Looking around. Thank you. Look at all this seafood right here.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Cặp tiền lời nó, leave lại.
This is kind of cool. I mean, I'm just kind of going down this market area right here. They definitely got a good pitch of seafood right here. Right here.
Yeah.
How much for this lobster?
This one I give 400 bucks.
400 baht for the small one? How about the large one?
This one is...
Now this is 800 baht, right?
No. This is 700 bucks.
That's 700 baht? How much is that one right there?
This one's 1,200 bucks.
1,200 for that one. Okay. Well, I know. Let me think about it. I'm just kind of going up and down, getting my stomach ready to eat, okay?
If no good food, I do the just.
Okay, sounds good.
If somebody mistake, I do the just.
Okay. This is really good right here. I love barbecue. Look at this. This is in Patong right here. This is right off Bangla Road. I mean, it looks really good right here. And that's that. Of course, they got to have the pancake places right here. Look at the size of these lobster right there. I mean, this is probably going for 1,800 baht right there for one of the big boys. And these are tilapia, I believe, right there. Really cool. This is tilapia. That's some good food right there. Look at this. That's crab, shrimp, chicken. Look at that. 100 baht per kilo for the spare ribs?
Yeah, per kilo. 100 gram, 80 baht, 1 kilo.
Let's see if I want to buy one of those. How much is it?
This one?
Yeah, how much is that?
Huh? We show you by weight. No idea how many grams we show you, brother.
Oh, okay. Well, let me just take a look here. I'm just. Oh no. I'm just curious. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome.
So I'm just kind of getting an idea how much it costs. Thank you. So that's kind of cool. I will. I'm working my stomach up for it. Now this is this area here in Patong. It's kind of cool. They got a big market in here. Look at this right here. Just piles of seafood. Unbelievable. Here. Shot there is the other side of Bangla Road, and this is actually on the beach side. You can see it right there. Look at that up there, see? And this is from the beach side right here. There it is right there. And this is the beginning of it right here. I just came from the other way. Right there. At the end of this video right here, I'm actually heading back home now after being here at Bangla Road, and it's really been really cool here. You know, if you like this content, you know, please consider subscribing. You know, I travel to a lot of places. I visit just about everywhere, and this is a shot of Patong as we're leaving right now. So thank you very much for following me or subscribing. You know, if you like this channel, please give it a thumbs up, and hope to see you in my next video. And this is the last shot of Patong right here. This is kind of Patong Beach. I'm in the back of a tuk-tuk heading back home again.